In this crypto video, we are going to have a talk on Bitcoin. So currently the price of Bitcoin is $16,726.54. And if I talk about price change in 24 hours, this crypto has gone down to 0.08%, which you can clearly see here. But what experts think related to this, that in near future there is highly a chance that this coin can give you a return of more than 11,000%. Near future means not in 1 to 2 years, but in near future this coin can definitely give you a return of more than 11,000% or more than that. If I talk about trading volume, the trading volume of Bitcoin is down with 51.20%. That's why this is one of the main reasons that why this coin is trending in coin market cap. And we all know that Bitcoin is the king of the crypto. So if you want to have investment in this, you can, because it's still no time is there to invest in this crypto, because when this crypto will reach to $50,000, you can have a huge profit from that. So we'll see you soon in another cryptocurrency video related to Bitcoin. But before investment, I will request only one thing, that do a proper crypto market research. And if you want to buy Bitcoin, so there are many crypto trading platform for Bitcoin, like Binance. From you can buy it from Binance or any other crypto trading platform, whichever you are going to like.